Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here for 31 days of scrapbooking in December where I'm making a layout every single day and they are all Christmas themed. So welcome to day number 20. Woohoo! We're getting closer to the end of the month and completing this project. I will do a separate video today that will announce the winner of the giveaway, the secret giveaway that I had on a previous video. You just have to go back through and find it. Make sure you leave a comment on that video and that you're subscribed to my channel if you want to enter the giveaway for a box full of goodies to be delivered to your door via, the mail. Anywho, what I'm starting out with today is this sketch by Allison Davis. And yeah, it calls for 3 photos, and I do have 3 photos, and it's got all these paper strips and stitching. And so what I've done is I've pulled out this background paper with the Merry Christmas from Cartabella, and then I pulled out all of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 by 8 pages. They are double-sided, but these are the sides that I've chosen to make the strips out of. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to look to see if I have any of these as scraps from a previous project before I move ahead on this one. When I was initially pulling out papers and stuff, I pulled these before I had any scraps. So I think I have some of these in scrap form that I may pull from first. Here's my 3 photos. I'm going to cut those down. I pulled in a couple of pocket page cards. And then I have these adhesive bits, and I don't have a title other than Merry Christmas on the background paper. I don't remember. We'll make it hanging out or something. Something simple, something easy. I'll put a title on there of some sort. Anyway, guys, this is what I'm starting with. I will be back in just a few minutes with the completed layout, and I will show you a close-up of the sketch that I'm using today. Anyway, be right back. Hello friends, I'm done. I have layout number 20 done, and I used everything that I pulled out. These are the cut-aparts that I had, or not cut-aparts, the pocket page cards that I had cut the images out of. I went through my scraps. I found some leftovers, but I did cut into a couple of the sheets, and then I still have 2 full sheets, a partial of one and then a partial of another. So I have, well, there goes one. I have lots to put back in my stash. And I also pulled in a couple of pieces of this brown cardstock. You guys know how I am when I have this busy background. I like to stop the busyness, put a border on that busyness so that it stops. Here's my sketch, and you see it has 2 clusters here and here. It has stitching on it, but I didn't do the stitching. I thought about it, and I still might go back and add some ink stitches, but oh well. Anyway, this is what I created. I have my 2 embellishment clusters with the 2 images that I fussy cut out. I used the puffy stickers here, here, and here, and here. I just made the title hanging out. I used the 2 snow globes here. I didn't want to put this too close in because it just didn't feel right. And it felt like it was blocking some space, and it just was weird. I added some silver sequins around, and I added a couple of the bows that I had made onto the bow on the wreath here and onto the bow on the package here, just as an addition. But that's it. That is day 20 complete. Make sure you stay tuned for a second video today announcing the winner of my secret giveaway. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.